Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can rotate your computer's or laptop screen. If you want to rotate your computer or laptop screen upside down or portrait mode, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. So just right click on your computer or laptop and use display settings, and then scroll down and go on to display orientation, and my computer has selected landscape. So if I select portrait, it will change it to portrait settings. Now if you want to keep changes, just click on keep changes or click revert if you want to change it. Now if you want to landscape flipped, so the display would turn upside down. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.